Bitcoin Cash see a turnaround anytime soon? I'm Rachel Jones and you're watching altcoin Media. Now, it was created back in 2017. Bitcoin Cash is a famous altcoin or a spin-off of the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Of late, the crypto has not been performing so well and is now looking at bullish forces for its revival. Though at times it tends to show an upwards trend, the overall month of October has been pretty average for the altcoin. On the 7th of October 2021, Bitcoin Cash was valued at $618.86, but saw a dip on the 9th of October when its price was recorded at $594.23. It did continue to hover around the same price for almost a week when it finally crossed the 600 mark on the 16th of October and was valued at $627.26. The crypto climbed to $643.85 on the 21st of October. However, the crypto had started experiencing a downwards trend since then. It fell to $5,000 mark on the 28th of October when it traded at $551.24. Since then, it's not been able to push itself to reach the 600 price level. And we all know that hard forks are generally developed when a faction within the crypto community disagrees with most network participants on proposed protocol upgrades. They then come together to fork the code and operate their own separate chain. The same happened with Bitcoin, which has countless forks, but the most famous being Bitcoin Cash. So can Bitcoin soar again? Well, despite the surging Bitcoin Cash's price at a record level in October, the crypto remains neutral as of now. It may bounce back to its bullish trend if the coin remains stable with no price reversal. Bitcoin Cash has the capability of reaching much higher than its current level. Given the market volatility, investors should investigate and analyze the crypto's past and present performance before making any decisions. Now, if you like this, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.